how to insert a background drawing onto your pre-made template. First, what we're going to do is, of course, open up using File, Open, our existing template we've created. We've created a training template with our dimension styles and text styles. We're going to press Open, and that's going to open up our basic starting point, basically all of our layers and everything that we've created. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here in the menu bar and choose Insert. We can also type Insert into the command line. It'll do the same thing. We're going to say Insert, and I'm going to say Insert as a block. And I'm going to browse and go to where we've got the folder with the background we're going to use. And here we're going to use what we call a Practicad training background. And I'm just going to say Open. Now it's going to ask me an option here whether I'd like the insertion point to specify on screen or give it coordinates, whether or not I'd like to rescale it, and whether or not I'd like to rotate it. Currently I'm going to leave everything as is. We're going to place it at X0, Y0, Z0. I've got the explode button checked, which means if this is a block it will break it up into individual lines. There'll be tutorials on how to use the explode. And I'm now going to press the OK button. Once I do this, I'm just going to hit top to get the full view. You'll notice that I actually have not only my layers, but I also have the background layers. At this point, all I need to do is say File and save it as, and now I can save it at whatever I'd like. We'll call this Training Template 2, and we'll hit Save. Now the next time I go to open this drawing, I will open up the Save As file. It'll have both the layers and I can just start to work.